This season, we had a wonderful opportunity to visit the Global Produce and Floral Trade Show in Orlando, Florida. As far as the eye can see, all kinds of fresh produce and products were being displayed. And right at the center of it all was a special Washington-grown booth. It was there that Washington Potato Director of Marketing, Brandy Tucker, was putting in some serious time to promote our amazing Washington-grown potatoes.
We love to come out to all of these shows. That's when we are here in Florida, and we just like to tell people about Washington potatoes. We have to educate people about all the potatoes that are grown in Washington State. We grow a lot of russets. We grow a lot of potatoes for French fry manufacturing, and we have some of the best specialty potatoes like reds, yellows, purple potatoes. And at this show here, this is a huge international show. Right. So we like to come here and talk about potatoes that we could export to other countries.
Also at the booth was Ryan Perry, who manages the Washington State Department of Agriculture's International Marketing Program. At a show surrounded by products from all over the U.S., it's important to think a little bigger than just Washington State.
We figure about 30% of our agricultural products are exported. Buying local is very important, and we definitely support that at the Department of Agriculture. But we also realize and recognize that exports are also critical to Washington's economy.
What are you hearing from our customers across the ocean about our potatoes?
They love our product. Not just potatoes, but just Washington agriculture as a whole. Like I said, we grow and invest here in Washington, and so just to keep those relationships open and keep our potatoes going to feed the world.
Although the trade show is incredible, it takes more than just one weekend to promote Washington products. Across the Pacific in Vietnam, we ran into Washington Director of Agriculture Derek Sanderson, who was hard at work fighting for Washington trade.
We're basically in a role of advocating for changes in trade policy that would help move products both ways. Trade's a two-way street, so we want to make it easier for our products to move into Vietnam as well as Vietnamese products to move to the United States. I would say tariffs are the biggest issue right now.
As tariffs raise the price for foreign exports, people like Director Sanderson and Ryan work hard to make trade more agreeable for our Washington farmers.
Tariffs are something that make our products more expensive than our competitors in other countries. When our products are more expensive, it puts us at a big disadvantage.
We have so many good products to offer, and the right set of circumstances, we should be improving our exports.
We're feeding the world in the United States and from Washington State. Not every country has the food security that we have, and so we're providing a lot of the food that's going to these international customers. So it's very important.
And it's something that we're all proud of.
Yes.